Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today I'm doing a shout out. I'm going to show you some happy mail that I received and share with you some things that I've been doing. I am so excited. So let's get into it. The first thing is, what am I wearing? Well, I am wearing a top that was designed by my yarny bestie, none other than Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet. This is her Rachel top, and it is a beautiful crocheted make, and she designed it herself. She's an awesome designer, just a beautiful person inside and out. And she has a tutorial on how to make it. Isn't that awesome? Well, I made this one a while back and I had no problems following her instructions. So if you would like to see how to make this and perhaps make one for yourself, please by all means do so. I will put the link to the tutorial in the description box below so that you can take a look. I'm sure she would be delighted to hear from you. And if you make one, send her a photo, okay? All right. Now, secondly, this shout out is to another dear friend of mine, none other than Bev over at the Ditmer Knittery. Bev is just an awesome, awesome person inside and out. Also, a beautiful designer. And her designs are in a different way because she does just some phenomenal things with felting. She does needle felting and hot water felting, which is just awesome and just really creative in the things that she comes up with. That's not all that she does. So I need you to go over and check out Bev's channel if you haven't done so already. Okay. And go and check out Priscilla's channel if you haven't done so already. Both of them are just awesome and phenomenal. All right. So now, speaking of Bev, I actually, a few months back, had the opportunity to meet up with her while I was spending some time with family. And we had tried to connect on a previous time that I was spending time with family and could not. And this particular time, I did everything I could to try to see if there was a way for me to meet up with her. And thank goodness I did. So I'm going to show you an excerpt of that meetup. And I'm excited. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. We just thought we would take this opportunity to let you guys see that we finally met in person. This is just awesome.
So I'm here with Katrina of Mindful Crafts and More.
And
I'm
this is
Bev,
Bev at the Ditmer
Ditmer
Knittery.
Knittery, and we got an opportunity to get together and have a little meal. And we wanted you to know, we wanted you to see that we got to meet each other, and it's like we know each other.
Yes,
I mean, we
it's
sat
like
down and began chatting,
like
and it
all
is
soul
like
friends.
we really do, in our community, we really do know each other, and it's a joy. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. See you soon.
I am back. Isn't that awesome? Just so awesome to be able to meet up with those who you have met in just so many different ways. And we just had a wonderful time. It was just a brief meetup, but you know what? It just seemed like old times. And we really had a wonderful time just kind of chatting. And yes, it was just beautiful. All right. So now, as we met, we both thought of each other and we made exchange of some items that we wanted to share with one another. So I have beautiful happy mail that I would like to share with you. Okay. All right. So let me grab it. I am back. So here is the beautiful package that I received from Bev. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So Bev got me 2 skeins of this beautiful, deep, rich yarn. Look at that color that they achieved. Just awesome. All right. So let me tell you about this yarn. Okay. So it is called Swan's Island yarn, and it's the All American collection, and it is 75% wool and 25% alpaca, and it is nice and squishy, and it's going to make something really nice and cozy. All right. So each skein, and I have 2, each skein is 210 yards, 80 grams, and the recommended needle size is a US 7 or 4.5 millimeter. And I just think that I'm just going to be able to do something just wonderful with it. Now, this yarn says that it is a woolen spun yarn, and it embodies rustic sophistication. The alpaca fiber is from small East Coast farms, and it is blended with the beautiful wool from the Elk Ranch in South Dakota, where raising sheep has been a family tradition for over 100 years. These quality fibers are scored, de-haired, and then carded and spun at a historic New England mill. They're hand-dyed in Maine at the Northport studio, and it is truly an all-American product. So that is just beautiful, and I love the colors. It's kind of tonal, so if you look at it, it's not all one color. So I think it's going to give just some beautiful, beautiful makes with it. So I'm going to find something nice and cozy to make with this. Okay. Thank you so much, Bev. All right. Now, that's not the only thing in this bag. So let's take a look. Okay. She did give me a beautiful card. And wait till you see this card. It is just awesome. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Bev, like I said, does just some awesome things with felt. So she needle felted this beautiful piece of art on the card. Isn't that awesome? And I just love it. All right, I love it. And so I did take a read at it, and it was a personal card. So I'm not going to tell you what's inside, but Bev, thank you so, so very much. I so appreciate you, and I so love this and everything. Okay, everything. All right, so let's take a look and see what else is in here. All right, so in addition to that, she put this real dainty package in here for me because Bev knows that I like so many different types of yarn. And she gifted this to me as well. Now, this is just exquisite. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? It's like a lace weight, and it's alpaca. It is so soft. All right. So this is Alpaca Rhythm, and it is made with 80% alpaca and 20% fine wool. All right. And the color is called Boogie. Okay, Boogie. And it's just awesome. And let's see, I'm trying to see if I can find the yardage on it because I have 2 of those, 2. Okay, let's see the yardage. 25 grams, 200 meters. And this is a lace weight yarn. And it says it uses 2 to 2.5 millimeter needles. And I have 2 of them. So I'm going to be able to make something really beautiful with this as well. So just beautiful makes and just awesome choices. And isn't it just a wonderful thing when friends are able to just learn about you and be able to just pick out things from their heart to give to you? And I'm just feeling so blessed and so honored. And, you know, it's been a wonderful thing because lately I have received just some wonderful and heartfelt things from friends. And it's just been a blessing to me. And I'm forever grateful. All right. So you know what? It is truly a blessing to be a blessing. And it's wonderful to let people know that you care about them and that you value them. And this is just such a wonderful way. Thank you so much, Bev. And yes, it took me a while to get this video out because I've had these things for a while. Um, but yes, it doesn't diminish how thankful and grateful I am. All right. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I have. And I look forward to being able to use these gifts that I have received and make something beautiful with them. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. I want to go ahead and give you guys the solution to the last puzzle from the video that included the puzzle, which we'll have here. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. Once again, thank you guys so much. Please check out Priscilla's channel. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? And also check out Bev's channel. Once again, what are you waiting for? If you haven't checked them out, please go ahead and check them out. They're both just awesome and you won't be disappointed at all. Okay. And also don't forget to check the link. Okay. If you would like to make this beautiful Rachel top designed by Pricilla. Okay. So to each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video tomorrow or one of yours. Take care now. Bye-bye.